today is day 2 of hardening of my plants. We harden off our plants so that the plants can get acclimated to the outdoors. The leaves are very soft, and when we start slowly acclimating the plants to the outdoors, they become hardened. And then the stems become thicker and stronger so that it can withstand the elements outdoors. So I'm on day 2. I may go to day 7, and this is a process that a lot of people do not like, but it will help your plants getting used to the outdoors elements. So when I first started, there was some times where I just got a little lazy, and I'm like, forget doing this every day. And I took them out there and they died. Some got stunted. Some of the leaves got burned. So we have to do this step. It's very important that you keep your seedlings in the shade. Last year, I kept my plants in the sun and they fried right in front of this window. The sun bounced off the window and fried them. I had to start my fall garden all over again. Here's an update on my garden after a couple of days of rain. But it looks pretty dry. Just stick my hand down here. It's moist on the inside, but and you can see some of these plants are getting more sun than others. So, and as for the beans, they didn't do anything. But I have some growing in the house. Oh, wait a minute. Got something trying to come out. Give it enough time. And my garlic looks crazy. This looks like it's, yeah, that's still moist. Planted my garlic in mid-October. And today is March the 9th. They look like they're ready to harvest now, but I have a few months to go. My snapdragons. It's been cool. My artichoke. And this is so beautiful. And my other artichoke. Still getting Brussels sprouts on this plant. My cabbage, I don't know. It's taking a long time. This is, the celery has completely taken over. But I have celery stalks. My other cabbage is not heading up, so I don't know. I might have to just cook the leaves. There's another Brussels sprout plant back here. Broccoli that went to flower. This thing is huge. I don't know. I don't know about this beet down here. I don't know if I'm gonna get one or not. They're still growing. And the onions look a little crazy and wild. So I'm going to grow my tomatoes in this Vigo garden bed. It is a 2.5 foot by 8 foot. So I'm going to be able to put several tomato plants in there. And then my other big one I'm going to put, it's a 3.5 by 6.5. I'm going to put some in there. And then I need to figure out if I might put some in this one when I pull these onions out. But this is my garden, March 9th. Before I start my spring and summer. So I got everything back in the house, and tomorrow I have to do this again. A lot of people hate this stage, but you don't want to just do all this work and everything dies on you. So we have to be patient and go through this process. I have been babying it in this house for a couple of months now, and I just can't throw it out there and kill it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.